G'day gang. Sorry for the sniffles, but it is wicked outside. If you look up over the fence, ways in the distance, you would normally see the mountains. We can't see crap for all the smoke. Extreme fire danger today. So it's that time again. It happens every year. The owner of the boat brings it down. I give it a clean up, get it running, tune it up, send it back to him, and he puts a cover over it. It sits in his yard for another year. And then, of course, under the cover you get all the humidity, and oh God, come on! I'm trying to work one-handed. It's an awesome thing. Yeah, so humidity, and well, you'll see when I pull the carburetor off, but you'll probably get an idea right now. Anyway, I'll get it off and we'll get it inside. So we're in on the bench, a 750 square bore vacuum secondary. Yeah, I wouldn't have liked to send this out on the river, mate, because the secondaries are stuck anyways. I don't think there's any pump working. No, the pump doesn't work. What I pay for a carburetor kit? That's what I pay for it. Let's strip it down. We'll have a closer look. Down inside is going to be a bit messy. Inside the float bowl is going to be all messy. Anyway, let's have a look. Should be interesting to see what comes out of this. Oh, look at the rust on the bolt. We only know what you're going to find, don't we? We only know what we're going to find. We just know. Yeah, there's some rust in the bottom corner there, look at that. Yeah, there's rust down in there. Come on, bugger. Let's go. Hang on, 2 hands necessary. 2 hands. Come on. See the rust in there? And up in the other end, well, it's just crap. We'll adjust plate levels. Well, I get the base plate off. All in all, I suppose I haven't cleaned anything yet, so you know we've got a bit of corrosion there. We can get rid of that. Everything else around it doesn't look so bad. So we get to this bit. Not sure that would have been a real nice ride. if that had gotten stuck open at, I don't know, 3,000 RPM or, you know, whatever down the river, don't think that would have been a very good thing. Anyway, I'm going to clean all this up, and yeah, hopefully it looks the goods when I'm done. And a couple of moments in the bead blaster, and we're all hunky dory. Just throw the rest of the kit in it now, and go through the main section here, and we'll do whatever we've got to do there. Clean some of that gunge out of there, I expect, probably the primary thing. Clean up this bloke. Clean up these blokes. Put it back together. Should be good as gold. And now look out, after it's the fuel's dried up a little bit. We're going to get that out of there. I think I'll go straight back into the bead blaster and give that a shot. That looks pretty. Main just in case you're inquiring. 72 power valve. It's a 68, I believe. Whatever. We'll fit the rest of the kit in and stick it on the boat. And I do believe that the fuel pump's at the sausage. When the young bloke came over he put some fuel in it the other day. That's red's on, I think. So nothing coming out the fuel pipe. Oh, hang on. Yeah, battery's hooked up. So I believe that little electric pump there has packed it up. We'll soon see. Anyway, back to reassembling the carburetor. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Should be sweet. Now I'm popping back on. So I think the fuel pump was working, but then decided it wasn't. That's just a shot up there. Let's just see what happens here. We'll turn on the reds. Nothing coming out of there. Okay, well, the pump is pooched. Okay, we're going to get another pump. All right. Might as well pull this bugger off, I suppose. Oh, she's crusty. She's crusty. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. I better get the rest of the tools and get the pump off it so we can locate another pump, eh? I think that's the go. So I filled up the float bowls with some good stuff. And what I'm going to do here is... No, it's fine, buddy. Realistically, that should idle away just perfect. Yep. Happy with that. Bon voyage. And so it was a few hours later, I've got a new pump. We'll just see what happens, eh? Turn that on. Pumping away, pumping away. Nothing leaking. Always a good sign. I'll do the major tuning and thing on it tomorrow because I haven't got time. So it's about time to knock off. Yeah, that's not bad. Straight out of the... That's not bad. Yeah. A little bit of final fiddling tomorrow. Be happy days. Check you later. Have a good one.